Hey everyone. So if your Google Calendar events are not syncing across devices, that can really mess up your schedule. I'll show you step by step how to fix Google Calendar syncing issues. First, make sure your device has a stable internet connection. Now check that Calendar Sync is enabled in your device settings. Open the app and refresh it to force syncing. Make sure you're using the correct Google account. Also, check that all calendars are visible and not hidden. Clear the app cache to fix any glitches. Update the Google Calendar app to the latest version. If needed, remove and re-add your Google account. And finally, check settings on desktop to ensure everything is syncing properly. And that's it. Now you know how to fix Google Calendar not syncing and keep everything updated.